सभी सेल का पॉजिटिव टर्मिनल एक ही पॉइंट से कनेक्ट है, कॉमन पॉइंट, इसको नहीं दिख रहा है, एंड नेगेटिव टर्मिनल्स आर कनेक्टेड टू वन पॉइंट, बी पॉइंट, ये कॉमन पॉइंट है ना, दिस इज ए पॉइंट. Now this combination can be connected to an external resistance capital R. Now this capital R will draw some current. पूरे combination से कितने current बाहर आ रहे हैं? I current is flowing through this wire, external resistance. अब इसमें क्या करेंगे देखो, we have total number of cells M into N. So what is the net EMF of each row? Net EMF of each row कितना होगा? अरे हर रो का नेट EMF कितना होगा? N ही है ना, डायरेक्ट लिख सकते हैं N into E. What is the net internal resistance? Net internal resistance of each row, ये कितना हो जाएगा? NR. Now net EMF of the whole combination, यहाँ देखो NE, they are in which combination? पैरेलल. तो नेट EMF ऑफ द कॉम्बिनेशन क्या होगा? अभी मैंने एक रो का बताया. व्हाट इज द नेट EMF ऑफ ईच रो? NE. So what is the net EMF of the whole combination? NE ही रहेगा. In parallel combination, voltage remains same. So net EMF of whole combination. What is the net EMF of whole combination? It is NE. ठीक है. Now see, NR. They are in which combination? Parallel. So what will be the net equivalent internal resistance? 1 upon R dash will be 1 upon NR plus 1 upon NR. How many times? How many times? NR. It is occurring how many times? N times. So 1 upon R dash will be what? M upon NR. So what is the R dash? NR upon. So in mixed combination, no, internal resistance is given by this formula. This is a formula for equivalent internal resistance. If the cells are identical, they are having same EMF and same internal resistance. What is the net EMF of the combination? So this combination, now we can draw the equivalent circuit of this combination. So we can take a single cell, all these cells can be replaced by a single cell having how much EMF? Any. And what about its internal resistance? NR upon M. Now this cell, this equivalent cell is connected to an external resistance capital R, and this R will draw how much current? I. So what is the formula for I? I is given by which formula? I equals to net EMF NR upon M and capital R. They are in which combination? So NR upon M plus capital R. Now you can simplify. So finally what we get? I is given by which formula? M N E divided by N smaller, N into small r plus M into capital R. So this is the final formula for current in mixed combination of the same. ठीक है.